Replacing my tensioner. This is a semi-new, less than a year old pulley. This one is no idea how old it is. They look the same, don't they? They're not. My new tensioner, this plastic pulley, I don't like, but it's new. Part of the kit. My new idler pulley is already on. Here's a note. See that nut? If I can reach it. Well, fine then. I'll go down further. Need to come out. This nut goes on the back of the mount for this tensioner. Right there. It's getting a dab of goop. Okay, got my nut reinstalled on the back of my mount with a touch of a goop. We are freaking thing. There you can see. It just goes in a round hole in the peg spot. I'll hold the nut so it doesn't push out. Turn it in. Oh yes. Shall tighten her up a little bit. Since it's a steel nut, just going to snug it up very well. I know I'm at least at the torque. They used to be threaded into the mount. They don't do that anymore, because they stripped out easy. So there we go. Now, get that old belt swapped out with a new belt. Made a little sketch. Guns like that. As many times as I've replaced it, I shouldn't have to do a sketch, but you do. Or at least, unless you do it 50 times. Which I'm approaching quickly. Yeah, the easiest way I've found is drop the belt down from up top, hang it from the dipstick tubes, hook it around your crank, like such. And then I reach down in here, can't see, hook it around, pull it over top of the water pump, down around the power steering pump, up to the air conditioner pulley, or the idler pulley if you don't have an air conditioner. And it goes under the tensioner, up to alternator. Another pair of hands is always helpful here, but so is a plastic clip around the bottom of your crankshaft pulley. And make sure you're, see, I'm not quite tracking right there. See my clip? That's the water pump, so that's not a big deal. That's good. Power steering is good. Air conditioner is good. Let me adjust that water pump a little bit. Alright, check again. Alternator. Idler pulley. Good. Crankshaft good. Water pump. Tensioner pulley. Power steering pump. Both sides. Get over here where I can see it. That's good. Comes up to the AC good. Comes off the AC good. Could take this pump clip off of this pump clip. Take the clip off of my crankshaft, which helps. It really does. Well, after taking a minute, I looked at the old belt, and other than some shiny surfaces, there's nothing actually wrong with it. I had it changed before I made this last trip because I just didn't have time. I ordered this tensioner kit, which I may or may not be happy with. I'll have to let you know about that later. It's from Gates. It's got a 2-year warranty with it, so if something happens, hopefully I'm not on the side of the road when it does. Made this because there's nothing about 95s, 94, early 95s on repair of our fans. So the adventure begins. This is the kit that I just installed. Lifetime manufacturer warranty. Ooh. Website told me 2 years. Well, there's no real... Yes, there is. Let's look on the box. Here's the box. In case one of you guys wants to order yourself one. It's a pretty good deal. It's $63, $67. I think I paid. Here's the old belt I'm not getting rid of. When I actually put it back in the box, I put it on my shelf with my pulleys. Keep your eyes peeled, because I cannot see getting rid of a good van. This van, you'll be pleased to note, $316,615 miles. I've done all kinds of little things to her, but she keeps on ticking. I've not been inside mechanically. I've been into the motor for new seals. I did make a video for that, and then it disappeared on me. You know, if you don't hit the save button just right, or you don't verify. I think I'm going to clean out my throttle body while I have it open. I have a new EGR valve just in case. They were having a closeout on Rock Auto. So, $22 later, I have myself an EGR valve. Brand spanking. Alright guys, keep your eyes open. Got lots of little goodies in my box here that are going to be going on. Guys, have a great day. It's 102 now. I think I'm done for the day. Stay cool. Stay healthy.